Thank you very much indeed. A lot of cloud across the British Isles, so too in Europe. This was our rain from yesterday, now hurtling its way across the southern parts of Scandinavia, across Denmark now, lying across central parts of Germany, getting down into Switzerland as well. And the gnomes are getting pretty damp. As you can see, that is Zurich, if you can see it through all that mist and murk and rain. And it looks as though things are going to stay pretty unsettled across many areas over the next few days. If you're one for the sun, but no heat to go with it, I'm afraid Madrid is the place for you. You see what I mean about the British Isles, though? We are in there somewhere, and some of this cloud has been thick enough for bits and pieces of rain across western Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern parts of England and Wales, not forgetting the North Cornish coast as well. And through this afternoon, I think that rain may just ease its way a little bit further east across many parts of the British Isles. Best chance of staying dry down in the far south and east. There, the temperatures, disappointing, 8, 9 or 10, something of that order. Up in Scotland, 6, 7, 8 or 9 should just about cover it. It should stay relatively mild across many parts over the next few days, but the payoff is that you're going to see a fair amount of wet and at times windy weather as well. You'll see there's some strong winds to come through the first part of Thursday, a lull on Friday, and then look, whoosh. Friday night into Saturday, some very strong winds, particularly for Scotland, Northern Ireland and the west of the British Isles. That is some way off. Let's come back to the here and now as we move on through this evening. So we'll start pushing some further bouts of rain up and across many parts of the British Isles, and it's going to cause some concern for travellers too, because we could see anything up to 2 inches of rain as we move on through tonight. And some strong winds around about the Welsh coast and over towards the eastern side of the Channels. Just watch out. Your ferries may get disrupted. Best to check with the operators. A really grim start to the day on Thursday. First signs of brightness getting into the north and west of Scotland as we move on into the first part of the day, and then that gradually easing its way a bit further south. It will never get down to the south of England or Wales, but at least there you will have the very best of the temperatures. As we move on through Friday and Saturday, it's all about the development of that area of low pressure, gradually tracking its way up towards Scotland. Expect a lot more wet weather to come. But on Saturday, and as we move on into Sunday as well, I suspect it's going to be a matter of some blustery showers concentrated across the western sides of the parts of the British Isles there. It looks as though it could be a wee bit drier, George,